Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can use tab layout in ViewPager. In the previous video which you are viewing on your screen, I have completed this basic ViewPager in the Java. So now I will add tab layout in that ViewPager activity. So let's start. First I will go to main activity and its layout file, and in that view page I will add a tab layout. So it will be match parent and match parent. Its height will be left content and width will be match parent. And I will assign an ID tab layout. So the first step is to add a tab layout in the view page in the XML file of the activity. So next I will choose tab layout, and I will check find view variable r.id.tab layout, and then tab layout that set up view pager, and I will set that to pager. So the next step is get title, get page title. So this will be shown on the tab layout on each tab. So I will return that position +1 because the position starts from 0, and I will convert to string. Let's check, let's run it. So as you can see, it is showing me my table, but I want to show only 3. I think from left to right or right to left, the tab is changing accordingly. And also I can touch the tab to go to any page. So this is the view pages with tab layout, and you can use if you want to make a book app where you want to show its pages, or another usage of your app. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your community.